world as a marvelous illusion.
You don't have the advantage because it's your dream. And somehow then waking up happens, and then you're in this one. And then you forget that dream, like you did forget this state when you entered dream. Then you come in this space. Then you say, now I'm back to reality. But you could have been also having discussions about reality in your dream. It's a clue. All these things are in your head. The water is wet, the air is fresh. All these things can happen in your dream. So, what makes this one more real?